Hello everyone, we are back again in our mathematics class. I am your Sharmika ma'am. So today we are going to discuss about mental math. So it will be more interesting, as you know from previous classes. Already we have discussed few things like coding, decoding, number series, analogy and everything you have done properly. So thank you for that. You are doing the worksheets also daily basis. So thank you to all of you. So today we are going to discuss about the topic complement of a number. Today we will learn factor addition, and for that no need to take the pen and paper. You can calculate it in your brain only. No need to take the calculator also. You can easily or quickly calculate it in your brain. So you will become a calculator. So complement of a number is our topic today. So are you once? So let's start our today's topic, complement of a number. So ready, steady and go. Today's topic, complement of a number. Before going to start complement of a number, we need to know two things that is related to our complement of a number, that is base and complement. What is this? That is base and complement. What is called base? Let us know first. What is called base? So, what is base? Here, base follows two rules. First, the number should be start with 1. The number should be start with 1. And the second thing is, it will be followed by any number 0. It should be followed by any number 0. For example, 1, 0, 10. See, this number is a base because it is start with 1 and followed by 0. Then 100, it is also a base because it is start with 1 and followed by 00. Next one, 1000, it is also a base because it starts with 1 and followed by 0. But remember one thing, 0 and 1 are not the base. So 0 and 1 are not the base. What is complement? What is complement? Complement of a number is the subtraction of number from the nearest base number. Now what are the base number? Base number, we have already discussed that base numbers start from 10. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So, complement of a number is the subtraction of number from the nearest base number. Understand easily what is complement. Let us take an example. Suppose you have drawn a pencil sketch. When you add the color will complete your drawing. So, here the color is complement the drawing. So, in this way, here we will learn the numbers which are complement another number. Now, two numbers are called complement each other. How can we say that? The two numbers are called complement each other. Two numbers are said to be complements to each other if their addition gives the next nearest base. Next nearest base or nearest base. See, 7. The number is, if I take the number 7, then the nearest base is 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore, 7 and 3 complements to each other. So, if I subtract 7 from 10, then also we will get the complement number of 7. So 7 and 3, if we add 7 and 3, we will get 10. So here 7 and 3 are complement each other. So if we add 7 plus 3, then we will get 10. So 7 and 3 complements to each other. Let us take some examples. See, complement with respect to the base 10. We can start from 9 because 9 is the before number of 10. So 9 plus 1 equals to 10. That means 9 and 1 complements each other. Next number is 8. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So 2 and 8 or 8 and 2 are complements each other. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So 7 and 3 are complements each other. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So 6 and 4 complements each other. 5 and 5 equals to 10. So 5 and 5 are complements each other. You have to remember this list. So 9 and 1 complements each other. 3 and 7 complements each other. In this way you have to remember the list. So how to find complement of any number? There is a formula, and the formula is from Vedic math. The formula is all from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 and last from 10. So how to find the complement of any number? There is a formula, and the formula you need to remember this one and only this formula, that is all from 9 and last from 10. The example, see, I have taken the example, find the complement of 847. So all from 9 means this is a 3-digit number. So first we need to subtract the 100th place and 10th place from 9, and the last digit, that is 1st place, we have to subtract it from 7. So what we will get? 153. So 847 and 153 are complements each other. If you add these numbers, you will get 1000, the nearest base number. So now the first question is find the complement of 67. See, our formula is all from 9 and last from 10. So we have to subtract the 10th place number from 9 and 1st place number from 10. Here, if we subtract 6 from 9, then we will get 3, and 7 from 10, then we will get 3. So therefore 33 is the complement of 67. So in this way you will get the answer very easily. So all from 9, last from 10. This is our formula. If you add these two numbers 33 and 67, you will get the nearest base number. What is the nearest base number of 2-digit number? The nearest base number is 100. So 67's nearest base number is 100. So if we add these two numbers, then we will get 100. Our next question. Find the complement of a number for 456. So let us come to our solution. All from 9, last from 10. So here in 100 place we have to subtract from 9. 10th place also we have to subtract from 9, and in 1st place we have to subtract from 10. So if we subtract 4 from 9, then we will get 5. If we subtract 5 from 9, then we will get 4. If we subtract 6 from 10, then we will get 4. As you have remembered the list, first list what I have given you, you have to remember that is 6 plus 4 equals to 10, 5 plus 4 equals to 9. In this way you have to calculate it in your brain. So 544 is the complement of 456. If you add these two numbers, you will get the nearest base number, that is 1000. So this is our second question. So I think you have understand. Now let us start our third question. The third question is find the complement of 547,679. That means 54,679. See, here it is a big number, large number. So you are thinking that, oh my god, it's a large number, we need to take the pen and paper. No need to take the pen and paper. See, we have to follow the formula. The formula saying us that all from 9 and last from 10. The formula is all from 9, last from 10. See, if I subtract 5 from 9, then we will get 4. If I subtract 4 from 9, then we will get 5. If I subtract 6 from 9, then we will get 3. If I subtract 7 from 9, then we will get 2. And the last one, you have to subtract it from 10. So it will be 1. So therefore 45,321 is the complement of 54,671. You can add it also for checking that you are getting the nearest base number or not. Now let me recognize the bases and non-bases. See, what are the bases? Like 10. If I take 2-digit number 10, then it's a base. But 20, 30, 40, 50, it's not the base. Why these numbers are not the base? Because start with 2, not start with 1. Those numbers which will start with 1, they are called the bases, and followed by 0. So our next example is 100. 100 is our next base, but 200, 300, 400 are not the bases. Like 1000 is a base, but 2200, 2100, 2300 are not the base. So this time is for to recognize the bases and non-bases numbers. So you have to remember one thing, that is those numbers which will start with 1 and followed by 0, they are called the bases. So just have a look on this page that which are bases number and which are non-bases number, so that you can easily understand that what you need to subtract for the calculation. Means when we want to get the complement of a number, from which number we have to subtract a number, that we need to check from this list. Just check the list. It is time for checking what we have learned today. Today we have learned the complements of a number. So here I have drawn some balance scale. You have to use the numbers which are given below, and you have to put the numbers in right side as well as the left side of the pointer, so that the scale should be balanced. So the only hint is you have to find the nearest base by adding two numbers. Means you need to find out the nearest base by adding two numbers. So you have to choose the numbers from here, from below. So if you know the answer, do let me know in the comment section. You have to comment me in the comment section, in the comment box, what will be the answers of 1, 2, 3 and 4. What will be in the left place as well as in the right place. So that the scale will balance. So up to this, bye bye.